Gaming on smartphones has gotten significantly better over the years as our devices' internal components grow ever more vital. Games that require more complicated controls are hard to translate to a touchscreen. Virtual D-pads and action buttons don't feel right. A simple Bluetooth controller can make all the difference. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their latest price rates. Our list begins with a GameSir F2 mobile game controller. This gaming trigger doesn't need to download any apps to play games. Take your mobile phone into the controller grip. It supports 4.5 to 6.4 inch iOS and Android phones. There's no risk of being banned. This controller allows you to charge and plug in earphones while playing. The trigger transparent design avoids screen blocking, and the high-density conductive rubber and the alloy buttons ensure a speedy and sensitive response. Additionally, its egg-like shape can be separated and assembled into a stretchable grip that you can stretch it when you play games. This mobile controller adopts a polished metallic anti-scratching shell. However, its ergonomic design is incomparable so that it reduces hand fatigue due to long gaming sessions. Next up on the list, we have the Razer Raze mobile gaming controller. It is a gaming controller that syncs with your mobile device and is packed with full-fledged advanced features to give you the ultimate competitive edge. With a mobile app configuration, you can create profiles for your preferred games, remap multifunction buttons, and more to create your perfect in-game experience. For ultra-fast responses, you can enable hair trigger mode via 2 additional switches on the controller's underside. The Razer Mecha Tactical Action buttons give a unique combination of a soft, cushioned touch with crisp tactical feedback. You can enjoy both the freedom to game wirelessly with a Bluetooth connection and the option to plug in for wired connectivity ensures extra assurance during competitive play. Up next on our list, we have the 8-bit Do SF30 Pro controller. It boasts a full button set with clickable joysticks, rumble vibration, motion controls, wireless Bluetooth, rechargeable battery, home, screenshot buttons, and a USB-C connector. You can easily pair your controller as an X input or D input device via Bluetooth. With the included USB cable, it can be used as a wired controller. Another added benefit is that it is nearly compatible with almost all smartphones. Plus, it can also be upgraded via firmware releases to keep up to date with new tech, so it's always ahead of the curve. The next product on the list is the SteelSeries Nimbus Plus Bluetooth mobile gaming controller. This controller comes with official Apple licensed wireless connectivity that works with all Apple products, including iOS, iPadOS, and tvOS devices. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that allows for 50+ hours of play on a single charge. It is equipped with tactical D-pad buttons, in which the arrow buttons have been upgraded with a tactical click for fast and responsive feedback. The clickable L3, R3 buttons allow for more input options across a variety of games. It has a new trigger design that features Hall effect magnetic sensors for a lifetime of precision and a consistently smooth feel. For optimizing compatibility with all iOS devices, we strongly suggest that you update the controller by downloading SteelSeries Engine from the SteelSeries website. Meet up the all-new SteelSeries Stratus Duo wireless gaming controller. With a flick of a button, you can swap between 2.4 GHz wireless for Windows and Steam and Bluetooth wireless for mobile on Android. You can easily play 5,000+ controller-enabled Steam games and enjoy full Steam Big Picture mode and Steam Link support right out of the box. Its Hall effect magnetic sensors are much more durable than their traditional counterparts, allowing for flawlessly smooth actuation from top to bottom. The clickable analog joysticks give you pinpoint 360-degree precision with a minimal dead zone, whether you're carefully aiming or button smashing. It uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, means you can play non-stop wireless for over 20 hours on a single charge and keep playing while the controller charges. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Razer Kishi mobile game controller. You can refine your aim and execution with a familiar console controller experience, supported by an array of face and bumper buttons, as well as a D-pad for extra inputs. Its flexible design allows it to be stretched and clamped on various phones and tablets, providing a secure hold that'll never come loose. The flexible design allows it to be stretched and clamped on a variety of smartphones. Plus, the Razer Cortex mobile app lets you discover new and popular games and utilize the Game Booster for game and device optimization. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned to the channel for more videos.